Dear Sparrows, good morning. Partial fractions, exercise 7D. Conversion of f of x, g of x, power series. How to do? Let us read the question first. First one, find the coefficient of x cube in the power series expansion of 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x, specifying the region in which the expansion is valid. First of all, you should know the meaning of power series expansion. What is meaning of power series and its expansion? Let us do this problem in two parts. In first part, what should we do? We have to split it into two partial fractions. In second part, we will find the coefficient of x cube in this power series expansion. How to take power series expansion? We will discuss in second part. Don't worry. So in first part, as usual, how did you do? How did you make into partial fractions in your exercise 7a, b, c, like that? Here also we have to divide it into partial fractions. The given fraction is what? 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x. Here this is equated by a by first one plus b by the second one. Next step is, here we should take LCM. That is a into 1 minus x plus b into x plus 2. LCM is x plus 2 into 1 minus x here. This is LHS. Let me tell you how did I write this step. See, I split into two partial fractions in which denominators are from this denominator. They were separated. In first fraction, x plus 2 was taken. In second fraction, 1 minus x was taken. Here a, here b were taken. Okay, and this LHS repeated. And here what did I do? I have taken LCM. X plus 2 is there, no? That's why we have to multiply a into 1 minus x here. 1 minus x is already there. We have to multiply x plus 2 into b here. Okay. Next step is, both the sides denominator is cancelled. Dear Sparrows, don't confuse. Try to understand what is said now. This is time to equate the coefficients. That is, first of all, let us multiply the terms here. A minus ax plus bx plus 2b. What did I do here? See this step. A once a minus ax plus bx plus 2b. Okay. Now let us compare the coefficients. To compare the coefficients of x here, there are two x's, no? So let me compare coefficient of x here. That is, comparing coefficient of x square. Sorry, not x square, it is x only. Okay, because Is there any x square term here? No. That's why don't take x square. Take only x term. That's why comparing coefficient of x means in LHS what is coefficient of x? That is taken in LHS. In RHS, what is coefficient of x? Here there are two. One is minus a, the other one is plus b. So let us write it as minus a plus b. So put it as equation 1. Actually, we have to put equation 1 to this equation, that is this one. Always the terms are made resolved into two partial fractions. No, this is always taken as 1. So the next number is changed here as 2. Okay. Now what should I do? I will compare constants now. That is comparing constants. So constant term means, I think you know what is constant. 6 is constant. Here what are constants? There are two. One is a, the other is 2b. So take like that one. That is 6 is equal to a plus 2b. This is equation 3. Now adding equations 2 and 3 here. Add those. That is write once. What is equation 2? Minus a plus b is equal to 5. What is equation 3? A plus 2b is equal to 6. I have taken these equations here. Minus a plus b is 5. A plus 2b is 6. Now adding means don't change the symbols. Put same and do elimination method. That is cancel these, add these here also, so that you get b as 11 by 3. So what did we do here? These are cancelled, plus minus. These are added, 3b, 1 plus 2. These are added, 11. Into 3 will become by 3 here. So b value is 11 by 3. This b value is kept in equation 2. When you write 11 by 3 here, you get a also. So the next step is, from equation 2, what should we do? We put b value in it. That is 5 is equal to minus a plus 11 by 3. Dear Sparrows, see here, from 2 means go to equation 2. Where is it? It is here. And 5, I have kept 5 here. And minus a, minus a. And b, in place of b, put 11 by 3. Okay. And this plus will become minus when it is taken to LHS. That is 5 minus 11 by 3 is equal to minus a. Okay. And take LCM and do, so that you get here 15 minus 11. Here minus a only. 4 by 3 minus a. A is taken to this side or minus is taken this side, so that we get a value. That is 2 numbers we got. One is minus a, the other number is 11 by 3. You can see once, check. Am I right or not? Let us check it. From here only I have taken this step. B is 11 by 3 can be seen here. So where should we do? Keep these values. Let us go to equation 1 now. Where is it? Yes, here it is. In place of a, put minus 4 by 3. In place of b, put 11 by 3 and write complete step. That is 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 plus 11 by 3, no? So 11 by 3 into 1 minus x here. So how did we got this step? We got it from 1. So we have to write like this, no? Since it is from 1. Okay? And up to here, this is first part. From here onwards, you should listen very carefully, because in the question, what was asked? To find the coefficient of x cube in the power series expansion. Now it is time to write the power series. So how to write the power series? I will explain you now. Okay. What is meaning of power series? Take RHS. In RHS, focus on this binomial which is to be written with 1 plus. Again I will repeat, don't worry, this is same. What did I do? Focus to write this binomial as it is actually 2 plus x, no? We should write it as 1 plus. Here already 1 minus is there, no change in it. But here change should come. So what to do now? You should do by 2 here. You are doing by 2 means denominator is by 2. Numerator also is by 2. So that value will never change. That is by 2 will come here also. And I don't take direct steps. You may confuse. That's why I will take here x by 2, 2 by 2. Okay. I did by 2 here and also here. So many girls may confuse. I have taken 4 like that. It is wrong. This is not 4. LCM of these two is only 2, no? That's why 2 was taken separately. Only 1, 2. That's why only 1, 2 is taken for numerator, for denominator also. Please don't confuse. Now what happened? These will be cancelled. Here also cancellation. Next step, what will come? See, observe. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 1 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Dear students, don't confuse. Understand clearly. Listen thoroughly. Again I repeat. How did I take this step? Look, this is minus 2 by 3. I have taken here. This is in denominator. When it comes up, it will become, actually it is power 1. It will become minus 1. Here what happened? X by 2 plus 1, no. I wrote it as 1 plus x by 2 here. So that I got this. And plus 11 by 3 as it is. And denominator when comes to numerator, this power will get minus symbol here. Okay. Now, what is meaning of power series? Okay, I'll take the other color to help you. Power series are 2 types here. For this exercise, we use 2 types of power series. One is 1 plus x whole power minus 1. The other one is 1 minus x whole power minus 1. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is taken as 1 plus, here minus will come. Alternate terms have same symbol, plus minus like that. So here minus x, here plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4. Like that, it is infinite series. It goes on. Infinite terms will come. And there is a condition, mod x is less than 1 here. This is a condition. For this expansion, how should we take? This is taken as 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on. Here also mod x is less than 1. First one is 1. Don't confuse, it is 1. And you can write it as power series expansion. You can learn about it in chapter binomial theorem. Okay, don't worry. This is enough to know here. Only these two formulae. So please understand them carefully. Here minus 1 only should be there. Here 1 is must, no other constant. And if plus and x also has only coefficient 1 here, power minus 1. At that time, here plus if there, put symbols as plus minus like that. Here minus will come. First one is always plus here. First one is always plus for both. So if plus is there, put plus minus so that if minus is there, write all plus symbols. Dear children, see, there are same terms, only symbols are changed. 1, x square, x cube, x power 4, like that. In both the cases, mod x is less than 1. This is a condition. Then we can write its expansion like this. Okay? Coming to the problem, we have to write the expansions. Of what? Expansion of this number. Expansion of this number. How to write? I will tell you. Is equal to minus 2 by 3, same there. Okay, put the square bracket here and I start writing by taking 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 4 minus x cube by 8 plus so on plus 11 by 3 square bracket should come 1 plus x square plus so on. And one more term is taken, up to cube we should take, because we have to get the coefficient of x cube here plus so on. Okay, dear children, again I repeat, what did I do? I have taken the help of this formula to write it. Only change should come x by 2, remaining is same. So same terms should come. But where the change should come, in place of x, put x by 2 in it. X by 2, I have kept. Third term, x by 2 whole square. What is x by 2 whole square here? I will write clearly, 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 1. 1 minus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square minus x by 2 whole cube plus x by 2 whole power 4 and so on. Result was written in its result was taken here. See, x by 2, here x square by 4, here x cube by 2 to the 4 to the 8 here. Okay, and so on. And for this also, same number, no? So no need to write anything here. I have taken this directly here. So learn these formulas. They will help you. Okay? And this is over now. Now we should go to the problem again. What was asked in the problem? See here. Find the coefficient of x cube. Find the coefficient of x cube in the series expansion. We have to find the coefficient of x cube now. So we want x cube coefficient, no? So where is a coefficient of x cube in the step? See, minus 2 by 3 into 1 by minus 1 by 8. Here 11 by 3 into 1. Okay, or in other words, to get the idea, you take one more step. Take minus 2 by 3 inside. minus 2 by 3 plus 2x by 6 minus 2x square by 12 plus 2x cube by 24. Okay, minus so on. Here also 11 by 3 taken inside. 11 by 3, 11 by 3x, 11 by 3x square, 11 by 3x cube plus so on. Here cube. I'll write neatly. Please don't confuse. Here it is cube. Okay. What did I do here? Dear Sparrows, I have taken minus 2 by 3 inside. Minus 2 by 3 ones are minus 2 by 3. Minus into minus plus 2 by 3. It will become like this. Minus into plus minus. These are multiplied, and minus into minus plus means minus into plus should minus. And 11 by 3 in every term I have taken. Okay. Now we want x cube coefficient. What is x cube coefficient here? 2 by 24. Here 11 by 3. Both are added. Okay. And that is answer. That is coefficient of x cube is equal to what? 2 by 24 plus 11 by 3. You can cancel here, no? With the 2 table, 2 ones, 2 12s. So 1 by 12 plus 11 by 3. So here take LCM. What is LCM for 12 and 3? 12. So 1 plus here 11 into 4. 1 plus 44. 45 by 12. 45 by 12 means cancel it by 3 table. 3 4s are 3 15s. So what's your answer? 15 by 4. Taking LCM and doing. To get the clear idea, go back to the video from the beginning. Watch clearly so that you get the concept. In the same style, let us do second problem. First of all, don't confuse. Understand the question. Then only you will able to do whatever is asked. This is second question. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in the power series expansion. This is also going to be resolved into partial fractions. Afterwards, we have to write power series expansion, and in that we have to take the coefficient of x power 4. This is the answer. Okay, na? So how to do? Difference is there in first problem and second problem. In first problem, there was no pain in writing the resolving into partial fractions. It was easier to resolve. It is like exercise A. Resolving into partial fractions was easier here. Simply linear number is there, that's why simply we wrote A, B and did it. It was easier. But while coming to this problem, it is not much easier than A, than 1. So if you compare, first one is easier. This is somewhat harder. No problem. Spheros can do anything. First of all, the given fraction was taken. 3x square plus 2x by x square plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay. And let us write this in a way that a by x minus 3 plus bx plus c by x square plus 2. I will help you. Exercise 7b is like this only. These are called irreducible factor. This is called irreducible. This is irreducible. So in linear, you can take a by, no problem. But if it is not with degree 1, if it is with degree 2, you should write like this. And in some cases, you can split. Example, If a question is given like same, suppose 3x by the same x square minus 2 I will take here. So this can be resolved by taking two fractions. How? So this is written like 3x by x plus 2 into x minus 2, and afterwards take a by x plus 2 plus b by x minus 2 here. What happened, children? This is reducible. This is irreducible. This is in form of a square minus b square. So here I forgot to put root here. Root should come. Okay. Because with this, how to write it? X square minus root 2 square. Okay. So this is reducible. Reducible means x square is reduced to, power is reduced from 2 to 1 here. We can reduce, but here we can't reduce. We can't factorize. When we can't factorize it, it is called irreducible. At that moment, we have to take like this. If power is 2 there, put 1. Okay. If there is a number like by, I'll take one more example, by x cube plus 2 if there. How to take now? You should take bx square will come here, cx plus d should come. What is difference between this and this? If power is 2, take power 1 and constant. This is bigger number now. Minus 1, that is power 1 constant. Here bigger number is 3. Degree is 3, no? Take 2 term, 1 term, constant. So b, c, d should come. Okay. This is in this case. If it is like this, take up to here only. And if it is irreducible only, you should do like this. If it is reducible, you have to split it like this. A plus b into a minus b. Afterwards, one is with a, the other is with b. Here also root should come in our example. Okay. This is all about irreducible and reducible. You could practice in your exercise B. And if you have textbook, you are very lucky. You can see all these in your textbook very clearly. It was mentioned. Okay. And now what to do? Same LHS will be taken this side. I will take same color here. Please children, give time. And also listen carefully. I have taken LCM, LHS, sorry, not LCM, LHS. And I am taking RHS, taking LCM this side. So getting this step. Okay. You people are rocking. So many of you are participating very nicely. Especially Sweta, Karuna, and the others also. Okay. So coming to the steps, RHS part, I will explain you what is what. See, in LCM, you have to take these two. And also a into this number here. Plus bx plus c into this number should come. And now it is time to multiply. I will multiply these and write. Ax square 2a. Okay. Here bx square minus 3bx plus cx minus 3c by x minus 3 into x square plus 2. Here LHS is same. No change in LHS. Again we go to RHS and I will tell you how I got this step. Ax square 2a over 2 terms. Complete 4 terms should come. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bx into x is bx square. Bx into 3. Don't forget there is minus symbol. 3bx. Cx, c into 3. Here also minus should come. Okay. Now if I ask you what is coefficient of x square in RHS, you should tell a plus b. because these both are with the x square coefficient. What is coefficient of x? See, search for x. There are two terms. So what is coefficient of x here? Minus 3b plus c. And what is constant? 2a minus 3c. Okay, like that you should take. Okay, now I will cancel this. Children, here also we should put equation 1, no? Always. For first step we should write equation 1, this one. Okay, now this is time to compare. So compare coefficients of x square. What happened? What is the coefficient of x square in LHS? 3. And in RHS, already told you a plus b. Again I will repeat and explain you. This is coefficient of x square. And here a plus b. So this is equation 2. Again comparing coefficients of x this time. And what is coefficient of x here? 2. So 2 is equal to this side minus 3b plus c. Okay. This is equation 3. And again comparing constants. So what is constant in LHS? 0. In RHS, 2a minus 3c. This is fourth one. So what did I do here? See, third one. Comparing coefficients of x. 2. Here, minus 3b plus c. Comparing constants. No constant term. 0. Here 2a minus 3c. These 2, 3, 4 help us to find a, b, c. How to find? Let us do one thing, that is by taking 2 and 3 we get the equation in a and c. Afterwards that equation and this fourth equation are simplified. Okay, I will help you. Come on, let us do 2, 3 here. In 2, coefficient of a is 1. Here, sorry, not coefficient of a, because b is common. That's why here we want 3. So we multiply this equation 2 by 3 now. So see what happened. Equation 2 is multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9. 9. 3a, 3a, 3b, 3b. See what happened. If I take equation 3. Why to take equation 3? Because actually our plan was to cancel these. That's why I multiplied it by 3. So I have to take 3 and the new one. After multiplication, the equation which was found here, that time these are to be taken and simplified. So adding them, because these can be cancelled without changing the symbol. So these are cancelled. Here 11, here 3a plus c will come. How this step came? This 3a as it is, c is same, 9 plus 2, 11. So this is 6th equation now. And see what is there in 4 and 6. In 4, AC. In 6 also AC. So let us simplify these. Let us find A and C from 4 and 6. So to find the values of A and C, let us equate any coefficient. I want to equate the coefficient of C here in it. So to get 3 here, I have to multiply this by 3. So doing multiplication, that is multiply 6 by 3, that is, this will come. See, what did I do? Here I have multiplied this by 3, 33, 9a, 3c. And now taking equation 4 here, 2a minus 3c. No need of changing symbols because I am adding, so that I got this number. What is this number? 33. 33 plus 0 is 33. 9 plus 2 is 11 here. So in next step, a is equal to 33 by 11. So I got a as 3. Okay. We can use any equation to get the other terms. Here equation 6 is visible. So to get by this a, we can find c by substituting a value in it. So substitute a is equal to 3 in equation 6. So what happened then? 11 is equal to there is 6, here it is. In place of a, taking 3. 3 3s are 9. So 11 is equal to 9 plus c. Next step, c is equal to 11 minus 9. That is, c is equal to 2. This is one number, this is the other number. We want b also, no? So to get b, let us take a plus b is equal to 3. Equation 2. A plus b is equal to 3. Put a value in it. What did I do? I have taken equation. In this I kept a value 3 in it, so that I got b as 0. That is, what happened here? What are the values we got? A, B, C. All these values are kept in equation 1. So put a is equal to how much? 3. B is equal to 0. C is equal to 2 in equation 1.